Thank you for joining us. I'm just getting the presentation up on my laptop. We have a lot of ground to cover, so we're just going to jump right in. So we're here to talk about raising money and awareness and a better way to do it for your organization. In the next few minutes, we're going to show you how to raise awareness, get the word out about your charity and what it offers, how you can raise money even when you're not in the office, and how you can expand your donor base to include nationwide or even global donors, and of course, building your email list and getting more volunteers for your cause. Who's this webinar for? Any charity, non-for-profit that's looking to raise awareness and or money for their cause, such as churches, schools, foundations, organizations, etc. Our promise: we've helped many organizations such as yours over the years, both in raising awareness, volunteers, and additional donor funding. At the end of this webinar, we'll email you a free 101 fundraising ideas guide, a little present to give you some ideas for your next fundraiser. Does this sound like you? Are you a fundraiser looking for your next fundraising idea? Are you a charity that needs more donors? Are you a parent of a school looking to help raise funds for your school or PTA? Are you a member of a nonprofit that is looking to generate additional income for your charity? Are you looking to get your charity noticed? Do you need more volunteers? So what are the problems? We need to raise awareness for our charity and gain public trust. We need easy fundraisers. Need, of course, new donors. We can't keep asking the same people for the same donations. You need to expand your donor base. And missing expertise in leveraging technology to solve some of these problems. My name is David Address, and I'm the founder of Bitachon Technologies. Over the last 25 years, we have successfully helped a variety of charities across the nation leverage today's technologies to set up and operate successful and income-producing websites. We aim to provide our customers with honesty, integrity, confidentiality, creativity and innovation, trust and quality, and excellent service and support. Just check out our Google reviews. So let's talk about websites. A website can help your organization in many ways. It can raise awareness of your charity and build public trust, create income for your charity through different fundraising websites and donation pages. It can help you expand your donor base by going out of your local network and reaching national or global donors. And it can increase your exposure by building your email list and soliciting more volunteers. Let us show you how. So what's involved in building a website? When dealing with websites, it can break down into the following areas: design graphics, cut-up wireframing, configuration development, hosting, data entry and content, order processing and operations, and marketing. Let's talk about each. Design and graphics. The first step in designing your website is the layout. This is part of the graphic design that deals with the arrangements of visual elements on the page. It should be designed to achieve specific communication and site objectives, as well as professional, eye-catching, and easy to use and navigate. This is done by a graphics designer. Cut-up wireframing. Once your design is approved, it is sent for cut-up. This means that the actual graphic components and elements are converted to images and hypertext markup language, HTML. Sorry to get a little technical here. So HTML is what gets fed into your browser, and it is what you see when you view a website. The cut-up process essentially creates a visual guide that will represent the skeletal framework of a website. This is mostly done for complex websites or websites in which you are not clear on the flow. This is done by the graphics designer and programmer. Configuration development. Once the wireframe is done, the programmer gets the skeletal HTML or dummy pages from the cut-up phase and then adds the smarts or the coding. When a programmer adds the code and the database, it makes the website functional and into a working and usable website. Hosting. Once your website is finished being coded by the developer and it's configured, it gets set up on a web server. This can happen also at development time. Your website needs to live on a server that is connected to the internet 24/7, 7 days a week. This is hosting. Your website is hosted or rents space on a web server. A hosting company typically charges a monthly or annual fee for hosting. Hosting also includes a lot of extras such as email. Domain name. www.yoursite.com. A domain is used so that when someone types in your domain name, it knows behind the screens which web server to go to so it can display your website. Hosting also comes with SSL. If you accept credit cards over the internet, you will need an SSL certificate. This is a secure certificate, so credit card information is encrypted over the internet. Data entry, content, and getting it all ready. At this point, you want to put the finishing touches on your website, such as updating any products and/or content, setting up a merchant account for credit card processing, doing some live tests, confirming you're getting all the emails, and confirming basically that all is in order to go live. Once the site is live, you should work out logistics of who will handle orders, donations, content, and general website updates and maintenance. After that, you want to market your website. Now that your website is live, you need to start marketing, and there are a number of ways you can market your website online. Some of the more popular ones are SEO, PPC, email marketing, video marketing, and social media. And we'll touch upon each one of these a little bit. SEO, it stands for Search Engine Optimization. SEO is a process of getting traffic to your website organically or naturally. So if you go to Google and you type in a search term, you'll notice that the ones that appear on the left, lower left, are ranked naturally. When optimizing website for SEO purposes, you generally want to look at three things: the technical elements of the website, structure, and on-page elements, that the content is sufficient, relevant, and focused on the subject matter, and the link structure and how your site manages inbound, outbound, and internal links. Pay-per-click. Pay-per-click, or PPC, allows you to place ads on various engines or websites. Advertisers pay a fee each time one of their ads is clicked. Essentially, it's a way of buying visits to your site rather than attempting to earn those visits organically through SEO. When setting up pay-per-click campaigns, you want to think about the following: your target keywords and audiences, quality ads and ad copy, great landing pages with clear call to action, tracking, analytics, and conversions, and of course you want to keep testing, adjusting, monitor, and learn from your campaigns. Email marketing. Email is a great way to get a message out quickly to the masses at practically no cost. Imagine having an email list of 10,000 people and instantly letting all those people know about an event, product, or service. There are a number of great email marketing services that allow you to build lists, create professional-looking emails, and tracking. Some examples are Constant Contact and MailChimp. Things to keep in mind when doing email marketing: you want to build and maintain your list constantly, target content for your audience and make it relevant, keep it simple and consistent, personalize and perhaps offer something in the email, preview and test your emails again before you send, and you also want to send the email at the right time, and make sure you monitor and track progress. Video marketing. Did you ever see a video go viral? You can get great exposure and traffic from videos. Imagine producing an entertaining video about your charity or charity event and having the video go viral. A great example was the Ice Bucket Challenge. Things to keep in mind with video marketing: it can boost qualified traffic to your site, boost website conversion rates, increase the backlinks to your site, enhance your online reputation and build trust with clients, build relationships with existing clients, and improve your organic search engine rankings. Social media. Social media is the collection of online channels dedicated to community input, interaction, content sharing, and collaboration. It allows people from all around the globe to easily network. Some sample social media sites are Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram, and Twitter. With social media, you can learn more about your audience so you can better target, find new donors and volunteers and expand your audience, build brand awareness, share content immediately and get feedback, draw more traffic to your website, increase conversions, and communicate and interact with key audiences. Now, what type of website do you really need? So the question really depends on your requirements. If you need one or multiple websites, it really depends on your goals. We'll discuss a few types. So some types of websites are the following. We have content management systems with donations, Chinese auctions, dinner journal websites, volunteer sign-up sites, e-commerce gift basket sites, and custom websites. So what's a CMS site? A CMS, or content management website, is an informational website that allows you to manage the content without the need of a programmer. Some of the benefits are you can manage your own content whenever you want, build up your email list by offering a newsletter, create awareness of your cause and solicit more donors. Multiple users can manage content. You don't have to be technical to add or change content. You can sign up more volunteers, and you can accept online donations. Depending on your merchant account and credit card processor, it may be possible to also set up automatic monthly donations, which are great for repeat income. Some examples of CMS sites. Another great site is a Chinese auction website. A Chinese auction is a great fundraiser. Some of the reasons: it can build awareness for your cause. It can help you raise funds on a global or national level. It can expand your donor base and build your email list. We've seen sites raise thousands of dollars. This, of course, will vary from site to site. The way it works is customers buy tickets for a set price and then use those tickets to bid on any prize. A user can choose to apply as many tickets as they want to a selected prize, which means more funds raised. At the close of the auction period, the winning ticket for each auction item is then drawn. The more tickets a person applies towards a prize, the higher the chance that they'll win that prize. More tickets equal more funds for you or for your organization. Ticket costs are low compared to the ultimate value of the prize items. We've seen some auctions set ticket prices at $5 for an item worth thousands. Based on the cost to prize worth association, it gets buyers excited to buy more tickets and even tickets for multiple prizes. Customers can browse and purchase from the website at any time and from anywhere. This means you can expand your fundraising efforts to include national or global donors. Customer purchases all tickets with credit cards, and the money goes straight into your bank account. People like this because they have a chance at winning every time an item is drawn. It's easy to set up, manage through an easy-to-use interface. Some samples of Chinese auction websites. A dinner journal website. We're all familiar with the annual dinner. Imagine a website that can automate journal entries. With a dinner journal website, you can raise awareness of your cause and dinner event, accept dinner reservations online. Users can create journal entries online. You can display a visual online journal if you don't want to print one. You can obtain reports of people attending and other useful reports that take you hours to do manually, and build your email list. Some dinner websites. You need volunteers? A volunteer website can help you get those volunteers for any specific event or task. On a volunteer website, we display tasks or events that need volunteers for sign up. You can sign up multiple volunteers for any event or task. Volunteers can sign up for tasks that they find interesting or anytime from the website. Email reminders go out automatically to volunteers. You can manage tasks and volunteers, and you can plan and confirm volunteers ahead of a scheduled event. Volunteer website sample. Another type of great fundraiser is any type of e-commerce site. You can raise money anytime by selling something or anything. It can be gift baskets, supplies, t-shirts, or anything your organization wants to sell online. With an e-commerce site, you can create awareness for your cause, build email lists. It can be used anytime throughout the year. Funds go straight into your bank account. It's easy to use, using the admin interface to manage products and orders, and customers can purchase anything, anytime, which means you can raise funds globally and anytime. Sample e-commerce. We can also build custom websites. If you have a specific fundraising idea and want to see it turned into a functional website, just tell us and use your imagination, and we can create that website for you. We invite you to call us and set up a strategic conversation to ask questions on how we can make this a reality for your charity. Thank you for your time.